Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by Nicole's yard for another cleaning motivational video. Today we'll be doing an all-day clean with me. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. I am thankful for all the support I get from you guys on my videos. Anyone who's liked my video, subscribed to my channel, and comment on my videos, I would like to thank you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I live in Canada with my fiancé James. On my channel, I do cleaning motivation, DIYs, and positive lifestyle tips. It is free to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I hope this video can give you the motivation that you need to tackle any task you've been putting off. With that being said, let's get her done.
Move your heart.
James and I have been busy this past week, so the kitchen got out of control. I am going to take all the garbage and recyclable out first. Sometimes we're on top of our chores, and other times we're not. And guess what? That's okay. When I was younger, my place always had to be clean and perfect, and everything had to be in place. Now it is not as important to me. I'll get it done when I get it done. Drop me a line in the comments of what country or city you're from. I am happy that I have an international audience that keeps growing.
I do my own thing, I do my own thing. I go my own way, don't care what you say. do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. If we go down, if we go down, if we go down in history. Yeah. If we go down in history. Yeah. All I need is me, myself, and I. Hey. Sometimes I wish I was somebody else. I was somebody else. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing.
James and his dad, Bob, had to do some work in the studio, so most things had to come out. Anything to do with the studio, that is James's department. Yes, in this house, we have different departments that each person is responsible for. Once we had implemented this system, it was a game changer. Do you have different departments in your home that each person is responsible for? Drop me a line in the comments below. Knitting needles. I've had these for 20 years and have never used them. Maybe one day I'll learn how to knit. I like to pack my gym bag from the night before. It tells me and my brain, you're going to the gym tomorrow, whether you like it or not. Today, we're going to talk about self-love. What is self-love? Self-love is having a high regard for your own well-being and happiness. Self-love is taking care of your own needs and not sacrificing your well-being to please others. Self-love means not settling for less than you deserve. Know your worth. I am big on self-love. If I don't love myself, how can I expect anyone else to love me? Here are a few tips on how you can work on self-love. 1. Start each day by telling yourself something positive. 2. Before you do anything for anyone else, do something for yourself first. For me, I like to take my mornings to meditate and exercise and reflect on my day before I go and give someone my entire day. 3. Stop comparing yourself to others. 4. Don't worry about what other people think of you or say about you. Their opinions doesn't matter. 5. Be kind to yourself. Sometimes we can say and think poorly about ourselves, and we would never say those things to a friend. 6. Never self-deprecate. It only harms you. And lastly, love and accept yourself completely. Please remember, when you practice gratitude, there is no room for the mind to complain about anything. Thank you for watching. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe.